Hey everyone, Tim here again. This is part 8 of my walk at the Nature Preserve in Battle Creek, Michigan. Talking about this place. It's a beautiful spot. Brings you out in the woodland. What their major plan is really get this place going good. And for now you could tell the path is all just grassed area. What they want to do is have paved paths down the road, but then they can't do anything without the funding. Without no funding. And if you're interested in doing a fundraiser for them, contact them. And here it's the website. It's woodlandparkbc.com. Again, woodlandparkbc.com. Or you want more info, contact me. Drop me a message and I will let you know how to contact them if you're interested. Because then, I like to see this park with paved trails. Looks like somebody forgot to come this way to cut the grass. I don't know why they forgot, but looks like they forgot. They didn't do a pretty good job on cutting back here. Looks like deer come in and out. There's a passageway for deer. Somebody was out here, when was it? Last week? Yeah, last week, just mowing this yard. And it looks like they didn't come this far. You could tell. How to get after the person that didn't come here. Tell a lot of people come here and walk. Like to see it blacktopped more. I would like to see it blacktopped. And I'll show you the reason why I like to see it blacktopped. You can tell they don't do a fucking good job out here. Excuse my French. How mucky yucky goddamn place is. You can tell, looks like deer tracks. Yeah. Feels like I'm walking through. Kind of bad that really they can't really do anything without any help. Hell, sometimes you gotta override this stuff. This is one reason why I would like to see it blacktopped. Tell somebody's been riding out their motorcycle back here. They're not legally supposed to, but they do it anyways. They could get in trouble. This ain't for motorcyclists to be out here. This is a walking trail, not a motorcycle trail. Whoever does that, she should get in trouble. Ought to have like monitors out here to catch the person. That's why they don't get very much people out in back in this neck of the woods. Tell somebody been out here riding their motorcycle. This ain't a motorcycle trail. It's a walking trail. Well, everyone, be on the lookout for part 9.